Everyone should try this. Go to your bookshelf, grab a random book, turn to page 17, and whatever the first word is what your friends call.
Okay, so the elf from Krampus has started working. I don't know what happened. It magically fixed itself. Because right now I only have one brick on it. Still makes a little click sound. Oh my god, I heard a mischievous noise. Wait a minute, is that a baby lantern keeper? Oh my god, I heard a mischievous noise. You guys know what? This thing is literally dry rotting to death. This thing. This thing is literally dry rotting to death. I mean, this hook isn't even attached anymore. I don't know how it's still on, but yeah, this thing is just oh.
I'm gonna eat some candy canes. Concentrate. Concentrate.
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it falls. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes it more dribble dribble, you know, riding in my.
And today we're showing out Christmas stuff. There's a roller skater. And there's a minion.
Jingle bell rock. Jingle bell swing and jingle bell ring. Snowing and blowing up a little fun. Now the season off has begun. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bell swing and jingle bell ring. Snowing and blowing up a little fun. In the funky air. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bell.
Desconoces el poder del lado oscuro. Bobby te va a empezar. Anotación de...
I'm at Walmart.
Mi sentido arácnido está activo. Golpe para comenzar. Puntuación más alta. 34. Golpe. Gira. Estira.
I love trash. Anything dirty or dingy or dusty. I am Groot. 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 I am Groot.
My mom just texted.
Mr. Beast will not tell.
Oh my. Who the heck has found
Mr. Beast will not tell you about this glitch sound. I gained over 5 points.